So, strategic management, this is new topic, that is strategic choices. Now, what here we mean strategic choices? Whenever we take decision, whenever, then we have options, and from the options we try to choose. So, when we choose out of number of options in decision making, then word comes strategic choices. In this regard, in connection with business, Louis Pasteur saying, know about combination strategies and strategic alliances, chance favors the prepared mind. Meaning, know about combination strategies. We know one topic named permutation combination. So, combinations, number of things are there, these, that, these, another one, something. So, strat means combinations strategies, and strategic alliances means what we have to do, with whom we have to attach, when we have to contract. So, these are all coming under strategic alliances. What should be the approach? So, here important is, one is when situation coming, then we try to take decision, and one is we have prepare our mind in advance. It means your plan program is in advance. It means you have a set of strategies in your mind. So, then what happens? Louis Pasteur is saying, if your mind is prepared, chance will favor you, means it will be in your favor if you are ready in advance. Means your plan, program, strategy already you have made. So, situation will favor prepare minds. This was given by Louis Pasteur. Another, Bruce D. Henderson. Bruce D. Henderson saying, strategy is a deliberate search for a plan of action that will develop a business competitive advantage and compound it. So, strategy is a deliberate search for a plan of action. This meaning is that always the businessman should be active, always they should be in search of plan of action, what to do so that our purpose is solved, and always try to develop a business competitive advantage. It means try level best, and it is a continuous process. So, competitive advantage and compound it, and what you have to do, take the benefit of your strategy. So, you made a plan, you search, tried level best and have the competitive advantage, and finally you got benefit. So, that is compound it. So, Bruce D. Henderson means saying, should regularly search for a plan of action. In this regard, strategy choices, we have three. One is broad strategies, strategic exist, strategic options. Broad strategy is stability. Now, in business, whenever, always our target plan program is will do business, and finally we are stable, means business will go on without disturbances, without ups and downs. Target plan is this, that is known as stability, but stability will come in the business only in long run. Suppose new business, we can't think of stability. New business, growth, plan of action, do new things. Stability means what we are doing regularly, we are satisfied with that, no further new things. We are stable, that is known as stability. So, new startups, they think of growth, expansion. Stability means no expansion. I think got it. So, stability. Our object is long-term plan is stability. Growth expansion, this is for startups. This is for startups. So, again word meaning choices. So, new startups, they have concept of growth and expansion, but old organizations already they have seen number of ups and downs, and finally they think, okay, now we are stable. For example, Hindustan, HUL, okay, Godrej, already their product is well established, business going on, ITC. So they can think of stability, but new can't think of stability. They have to prefer growth and expansion. Retrenchment. So in the business process, things in your favor, things not in your favor, things not in your favor, you will make it out. Try to make the things in your favor. So maybe here word retrenchment, you don't need cancelling, avoiding, terminating, this type of word will come, retrenchment. Then what comes? Combination. So combination, time to time this may change, different combinations, which is good for us, better for us, good for the organization. We will prefer those type of combinations. Another is strategic exit. So strategic exit. So here what happens? Exit means out. So time to time, situation wise, we are doing turnaround, making it out time to time. This divestment, or also we use the word disinvestment. So what we are doing, some portion out. Suppose you are having 10 products, 2 product out. You are having 6 business products, 2 business product out. That is concept of divestment. Now liquidation. Liquidation, here we mean come to an end. When we think no future prospect, no future, in that case better is go under liquidation. Suppose we think regular there will be loss, no future prospect. The business which we are in, once upon a time it was good, but now outdated, unacceptable in the market, and we are also sure there is no future prospect. If we run, we will have only loss. Then better choice is do liquidation, whatever recovered. Third option is strategic options, portfolio analysis model. Portfolio meaning is more than one in your bucket. So which portfolio is better? So which portfolio is better? So you have to do choice. Accordingly, you have to proceed. So then we think change of portfolio. Portfolio word basically coming from this share market and this all. Portfolio, popular. Suppose we have 5,000 companies. Out of 5,000 companies, you have choose 20 companies that you think this 20 is good for. So you made portfolio of 20. Later on, after 1 year, you think no, these 5 should also be in our portfolio, but this 4 should not be. So what you will do? Add 5 minus 4. Possible? So portfolio analysis, which portfolio is good. Similarly, when you are in business, you can have portfolio of products. Possible? You can have portfolio of business lines. Okay. So meaning is vast. So point comes, strategic comes, choices, broad strategies, strategic exist, strategic options. Now in this connection, see, as discussed, this is business. This is business and we don't have any law for this. This is perception. But here important is what is missing. What is missing? All discussions, what suppose these 2 points given, Louis Pasteur, Bruce D. Henderson, maximum definitions given by foreigners. So what is lacking in India? There should be the persons, Indian persons, successful persons, their quotation should be given. But in India, this is missing. Say, successful businessman. So we can take example of Reliance. Now, whether Dhirubhai Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, whatever, we should quote Tata. What they said, our quotation should be given by them. They are successful businessmen. Mahindra, Infosys. Okay. So, it should cover these all people. But anyway, till space not given in the printed material, always question mark is there. They also say everything something, every day something. That should be the quote. What they say, what they do. But what happens? Until unless specific book is not out, lacking. क्या समझे? चल अगेन फिर से. So here we write down strategy formulation. Strategy formulation. So write down involves well thought of decision making and covers actions dealing with the objective of the firm, shareholders, and allocation of resources and coordination of strategies of various business units for optimal performance. Optimal, ठीक है. Now you see, just now as we have discussed, strategy formulation. Now here important is these are for big businessmen or proper businessmen. They make plan in advance. It is not situation coming then thinking starts. No. Thinking should start, plan should start, strategy starts before things happening. प्लान प्रोग्राम पहले से बनाना पड़ता है. ठीक है. So strategy formulation involves well thought of decision making and covers actions dealing with the objective of the firm, shareholders, and allocation of resources and coordination of strategy of various business units for optimal performance. मतलब अपना जो भी रिसोर्स है उसका बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन, बिटवीन देम कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड optimal performance, best. So that is coming under strategy. Okay, here these are the things, these are the content we are discussing from day one. So here what happens, plain and simple, that while writing the answer, what is important, answer should be in the line of question. Answer in the line of question. So what the question is, you have word power, you have vocabulary, you have content, presentation. If in the line of material suggested, automatically marks will be more. Answer will be right, no doubt, but answer in the line what they need, marks will be high. Here there is no section. Why no section? There is no law. There is no law for this. Okay. Again, और लास्ट में बिजनेस में क्या होता है, अल्टीमेट, जैसे हम लोग के जनरल में बोला जाता है, माने जो जीता वही सिकंदर. तो बिजनेस का भी वही है, आप सब गलत किए लेकिन लास्ट में सक्सेस, तो सक्सेस है तो फिर वही राइट है. आप सब फॉलो किए लेकिन बिजनेस फेल हो गया, क्या समझे? तो देयर इज डिस्प्यूट विथ द concept, but if you are successful, sure something is there due to which you are successful, कुछ तो है. ठीक है, फिर से लिखिए. नाउ टॉप मैनेजमेंट, makes strategic decisions which pen down to delegation at middle management level. And finally, the functional level managers. Execute them or execute the same with their team. Okay, so top, middle, finally you have to execute. ठीक है, वो हो गया हम लोग का फंक्शनल लेवल. तो 3 लेवल हो गया, टॉप, मिडिल, फंक्शनल. फंक्शनल तो हम लोग का जितना भी काम होता है वो फंक्शनल लेवल में होता है. ठीक है, डिसीजन टॉप से होगा बट फाइनली फंक्शनल लेवल. ठीक है, ओके. Now, next write down market penetration strategy, growth expansion strategy, decline retrenchment turnaround strategy, maturity stability strategy. Entry, then when it comes to competition, cost leadership, already we have discussed, differentiation, focus, joint ventures, merger and acquisition, merger and acquisition. So here, when it's a question of entry level, entry means say startup, it means new business. So startup, what happens? Market penetration, your target is to enter in the market in any way, because until unless you don't enter in the market, your product is not visible, seen, sold, how you will do business? So market penetration, your target is to enter in the market anyhow. For this, maybe you have to sell your product at cost, sell your product below cost. Target is to capture the market. Okay, next step will be growth and expansion. पहले तो कुछ होगा ना, फिर आगे बढ़ाना है. तो एंट्री में तो कुछ है ही नहीं, तो फर्स्ट इज एंट्री, देन ग्रोथ एक्सपेंशन स्ट्रैटेजी, देन व्हाट हैपेंस, एक्चुअली नेक्स्ट कम्स मैच्योरिटी. नया शुरू हुआ, थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ा, ग्रोथ एक्सपेंशन, फिर 2, 5, 10 साल के बाद क्या हुआ? स्टेबिलिटी. ओके, इसको बोलते हैं मैच्योरिटी. नाउ यू आर ओके, स्टेबल. उसके बाद फिर शुरू होता है डिक्लाइन. सो इन डिक्लाइन व्हाट हैपेंस? डिक्लाइन में आप क्या करोगे? बिजनेस को रिड्यूस करोगे. सो रिट्रेंचमेंट स्टार्ट्स एंड टाइम टू टाइम यू डिस्पोज, टर्न अराउंड. एंड मैच्योरिटी में स्टेबिलिटी स्ट्रेटेजी. When it comes to competition target, how you can face the competition? Cost leadership, differentiation, product, focus on your target. There, by doing joint venture, you can compete competition. Merger and acquisition, you can reduce competition. ठीक है, मतलब ये सब हो सकता है. ठीक है. Basic features of corporate strategy. Already discussed stability, expansion, retrenchment, and combination. Okay, so combination is permutation oblique combinations, situation wise, situation wise. Now, stability. Deals in same product, deals in सेम प्रोडक्ट, माने स्टेबल है, माल चल रहा है, चलने दो, बिक रहा है, बिकने दो. ओके, सो प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज जो भी है सेम चल रहा है, चलने दो. ठीक है ना, प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज. मैच्योरिटी स्टेज, मैच्योरिटी सफिशिएंट मार्केट. ठीक है, रिटेन द कस्टमर्स, मैंने टारगेट बदल जाता है, नया कस्टमर नहीं चाहिए, जो है उसी से चलेगा. ठीक है, नाउ मार्केट शेयर, मार्केट शेयर. नाउ stability strategy should not be confused with do nothing strategy. ठीक है, मैंने ऐसा नहीं है कि स्टेबल हो गया कुछ नहीं करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं, तब तो क्या होगा, डिक्लाइन में चला जाएगा तुरंत. मीन्स यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग सिग्निफिकेंट. उसको मेंटेन रखना है, उसको मेंटेन रखने के लिए जो करना है वो करेंगे. एक्सपेंशन नॉट कमिंग, ग्रोथ एक्सपेंशन नॉट कमिंग, बट to maintain it, whatever we have to do, that will do. So do nothing is not the answer. Do nothing में फिर डिक्लाइन आ जाएगा, माने रिवर्स गियर में चला जाएगा सब. ठीक है ना, आगे के जगह पीछे चला जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ सेफ स्ट्रैटेजी. स्टेटस क्यो, स्टेटस क्यो का मतलब मार्केट में आपका जो पोजीशन है वो बना हुआ है, दैट इज स्टेटस क्यो. ओके, no fresh investment, no fresh investment. Risk low, risk low. No growth strategy. May be perceived as threatening. माने एक सर्टेन लिमिट जब क्रॉस कर गया है, ठीक है, उसके बाद भी अगर आप ग्रो करना चाहते हो तो मे बी इट इज वर्किंग अगेंस्ट यू. तो बेस्ट होता है इसमें तब वहां पर जाके रुक जाना. ओके, नाउ why don't startup aim for stability? Now startup growth, expansion, okay, so startup is for growth and expansion, okay, stability is for old established, old established, स्टार्टअप इज न्यू, अभी तो जीरो में है वो, ठीक है ना. स्टार्टअप फर्स्ट स्टार्टअप, स्टेबिलिटी इज लॉन्ग रन प्रोसेस. नाउ मैच्योरिटी level, then is stability. Startup is not matured, ठीक है, this is initial stage. ठीक है, so startup is growth and expansion strategy. Now types of growth oblique expansion strategy. Internal growth, strategy, external growth strategy. Expansion, intensification, and other is diversification, diversification. ठीक है. Intensification we mean within organization whatever product you are making it better. Concentration, that itself. Diversification means you are moving from one product to other product. मतलब जो है उसी को और अच्छा बनाओ. इंटेंसिफिकेशन. एक्सपेंशन मतलब और भी एरिया को पकड़ते जाओ. दैट इज डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. बोथ आर कनेक्टेड विथ ग्रोथ. बोथ आर कनेक्टेड विथ ग्रोथ. ठीक है. मार्केट पेनिट्रेशन. ओके. enter in market. Enter in market. Market development. Channels of distribution. અને नया नया मार्केट सबको पकड़ रहे हैं. ठीक है. प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट. मॉडिफिकेशंस. इम्प्रूवमेंट. और भी प्रोडक्ट को और अच्छा बना लिए. ठीक है. Now, one word is concentric diversification. Related products. Related products. New product linked with existing product. Okay. Connected in a loop manner. ठीक है. soup, shops. जूता है, मोजा बनाने लगे. पॉसिबल. ठीक है. क्लोथ. तो क्लोथ में वैरायटीज. ओके. क्लोथ में वैरायटीज. ठीक है. क्लोथ में वैरायटीज चला गया. इवन क्लोथ. Now wearing shoes. अब कपड़ा के साथ में जूता भी साथ में अटैच कर दिया, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन, सपोज प्रोडक्ट डीलर, आप एक प्रोडक्ट का डील करते हो, ठीक है। आप क्या किए, ओपन शोरूम, ये क्या हो गया, फॉरवर्ड। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, ये क्या हो गया, बैकवर्ड, माने आगे का पीछे का, ठीक है। कॉन्ग्लोमरेट, डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, नो लिंकेज, related products, say Tata Motors, Salt, Starbucks, ये सब अपने आप में टोटल अलग है। से वेस्ट साइड्स, माने सॉल्ट को मोटर से क्या लेना देना है, तो ये क्या हो गया, कॉन्ग्लोमरेट, ठीक है। से स्टील, आई थिंक गॉट इट, मतलब टोटली इट्स अ डिफरेंट। और 2-4% हम लोग बोलेंगे जो वर्कर्स है वो लोग टाटा सॉल्ट यूज करता है, ऐसा भी, ये सब मीनिंग नहीं आएगा, वो कोई मटेरियल नहीं है, ठीक है ना। ओके, इनोवेशन, innovation, so this is new product or services, okay. Necessity, solution, जैसे ये चाहिए and you have provided the solution. By innovation, solve complex problems, solve complex problems, ठीक है। Now, increasing productivity. Increasing productivity. ये होगा task done in less time or same time more production. Same time more production. ठीक है. Now external growth strategy. Expansion through mergers and acquisition. Mergers and acquisition. Okay. Now, merger. A Limited, B Limited, C Limited. Acquisition. A Limited, B Limited. ये खत्म हो गया. क्या हो गया? ए लिमिटेड. ठीक है ना. बी लिमिटेड ए लिमिटेड में मैंने ए लिमिटेड क्या किया? बी लिमिटेड को ले लिया या बी लिमिटेड ए लिमिटेड को ले लिया. एक खत्म हो गया. ठीक है. या ये खत्म हो गया, बी लिमिटेड रह गया. एक्विजिशन. नाउ types of mergers. Horizontal merger. Firm in same industry. Firm in same डायरेक्ट कंपटीटर. सो दो सीमेंट कंपनी आपस में मिल गया. ठीक है. कंपटीशन कम्स टू एन एंड. वर्टिकल मर्जर. ऑपरेटिंग at different stages. सपोज एक मैन्युफैक्चर करता है, एक ट्रेडिंग करता है, माल सेम है तो दोनों मिल गया. तो ये क्या हो गया? वर्टिकल मर्जर. सो इसके अंदर में बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन एंड फॉरवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन. को-जेनरिक merger. Now, say refrigerator companies merged with kitchen appliances. Okay, those who required refrigerator, they need kitchen appliances also. So, linked. We use the word co-generic. Product is different. Product different. But consumers related products. Conglomerate merger. Unrelated to each other. To each other. Okay. No. Then is expansion through strategic alliance. Now, maybe goods or service. Now, both or all parties benefited, both or all parties benefited, knowledge sharing, advantages, now organizational. Enhance प्रोडक्टिव कैपेसिटी, मिलजुल के ज़्यादा हो सकता है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम, सप्लाई चेन, इसको देखो, एक इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल है कोरियर सर्विसेज। कोरियर, देखो आपको एक एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं। सपोज कोरियर कंपनी ए वो साउथ नॉर्थ दोनों कवर कर रहा है, कोरियर कंपनी बी साउथ नॉर्थ दोनों कवर कर रहा है, तो बिटवीन देम अलायंस हो गया। बिटवीन देम alliance. Business you do south north, no problem, but delivery distribution north you tackle, south I will tackle. Expense reduced by 50%. बोला cell counter your, my same, no problem. But north you tackle, south I will tackle. Business customer relation is with obtaining business undisturbed. Distribution, anyone can go and give delivery, possible. तो क्या हुआ, बेनिफिटेड. तो ये सब क्या अलायंस है. आई थिंक गॉट इट. फिर से यू नो these are going on. Courier services, they collect. Today collected, tomorrow delivery. How possible? Letters going through flight. Going through, even, you know, cargo flights. Special cargo flights are there. So much content is there. What they do? Full collection. And it is carrying not only one numbers. Not only one numbers. Even speed post, you know. ठीक है, air mail, you know. Charges are high, but they do it on the basis of volume. Everyone is benefited. ठीक है, ये सब भी क्या है, अलायंस है. और पब्लिक यू डू 100 रुपीज, फॉर मी 50% डिस्काउंट. Possible? I'll give you 50% discount. You also give me 50% discount. Over. Possible? दोनों में अलायंस हो गया. ये सब क्या है, ये भी एक बेनिफिट है, एडवांटेज. Strategic alliance. And same word meaning economic. Okay, ठीक है. Economic, cost reduced, cost reduced. Strategic, rivals can join together. कंपटीशन खत्म हो जाएगा, दोनों का प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाएगा. पॉलिटिकल, टू कंट्रीज, दो कंट्री के बीच में अलायंस हो गया. पॉसिबल? दोनों का बिजनेस बढ़ जाएगा. डिसएडवांटेज, ऑफ strategic alliance. Sharing. ठीक है. So what happens when you share knowledge, when you share resources, other getting full information of other. One getting full information of other, long run it may be harmful. So क्या होगा, long run harmful, because nothing is secret, nothing secret. समझ गए? Now देखो, you will see this sales job easily available. Sales job easily available. Why? एक कंपनी का वो सेल्स मैनेजर था, उसके बाद कस्टमर लिस्ट है, जॉब छोड़ दिया, दूसरे कंपनी में किया, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली सेल्स, ही इज सेइंग आई हैव फुल इंफॉर्मेशन, आई विल सेल योर प्रोडक्ट टू दिस ऑल. क्या होता है? जॉब इजली अवेलेबल. दिस इज अ बिग रिस्क इन मार्केटिंग, big risk in marketing, and these are going on. ठीक है, ठीक है. So nothing secret. और फ्रेंडशिप, ये क्या अलायंस, यही हुआ ना. फ्रेंडशिप क्या हो गया? अलायंस. When becomes rival oblique enemy, क्या होता है? डिजास्टर. ठीक है, राइट. Because they know all the secrets, powers, connections, और बाद में सेपरेट हुआ, तब क्या हो जाता है? केस बिकम्स डिजास्टर. आई थिंक गॉट इट. सो अलायंस coming together when something goes wrong in business, whatever way, then separated, and that times more competition is there and it becomes tough to tackle the competition. क्या समझे? मैंने ultimate meaning is this, मैंने this is ultimate. Alliance when separated, that time it becomes disaster. ठीक है, आई थिंक गॉट इट. इसको फिर से हम लोग इसको कंटिन्यू में डाल देते हैं. ओके.